Alright, we're putting the hydraulic pump in. So, I got the adapter in there already. It's sitting there on a fresh pump. I cleaned the surface. I'm gonna take, I got some moly grease in the threads. I'm gonna put some gasket maker around the surface so it doesn't leak. And there we go. Two bolts. Alright, so we got the axle on there. Got a little bit of footage of that for you. And it's looking a little more like a machine. It's got the coolant in there. I haven't bled it out, so I haven't topped it off yet, but the coolant reservoir is mounted above everything else, so that should work nice. Hydraulic hoses are all finished now. Yeah, there's no pressure in the system, so the blade's chained up right now. Probably have to move this thing tomorrow morning to get it out of the way. Truck needs to come in. Front axle, I filled the pumpkin up. I should have rolled it before I attached it to the machine and filled the hubs, but I didn't, so I'll have to check leveling the hubs, and I should probably check the pumpkin as well, just to make sure it didn't all drain into the hubs and have low pumpkin. Rear axle, I did disconnect the drive shaft down here. So, a little dark. I did that to make it easier to put the front one in, and the rear pumpkin, I'm gonna go through like I did the front. I don't know if that'll get fresh bearings, but it's pretty sloppy. I don't need to have it blow up. I got the winch to free up a bit, turning the drive shaft. I was hoping to start the engine today and get that spinning, and then take the winch off, take the fuel tank out, and then be able to drop the crane down through and pull the pumpkin up. Engine didn't want to start. I do have a stuck fairlead roller up here. I think I mentioned that before. So I was getting ready to start the engine up. I made and installed the last hydraulic hose here. Still do need a bunch of guards and body work and all that. But I was over here trying to bleed it out. I fixed the bleeder screw that had stripped out on the left side, the bleeder in the banjo bolt. So I chased the threads out and put another bolt in there. Seems to work. But I couldn't get to prime. I was having trouble before with that, and then I took the lift pump apart, and the lift pump had a bad valve in it. So it wasn't pushing it, it was just going back and forth, back and forth. I had another one here, and opened that up, tried that. Long story short, I wasted a bunch of time on two old lift pumps, which weren't the same thing, so I couldn't even swap the valves around. I had 2 good valves in each of them. They're in the dumpster. Ordered a fresh one. It was only $28 on eBay, I think. Local store had one for $120, but I had enough other stuff to do here. And ordered a new hose for the side here, this pipe. When I went to take it off, the nut on the bottom's totally seized up and started to twist the tube, so I just ordered a fresh one. That'll take care of that problem. With shipping, that was only 20 bucks on eBay. So, a lot cheaper than elsewhere. It's supposed to be 60 something. But, it's looking a lot more like a skidder again. Look at that. It's looking good. So, hopefully I'll have a lift pump here in the next few days. Could take up to a week to show up, it says. Till then, I'm gonna try to get the exhaust mounted, and I'll obviously need to make a new pipe. That one doesn't go to the right spot, it needs to go up here. I got a rag hanging off it right now. The air, I just covered it so junk wouldn't get in the turbo. I need to connect that to that. And that one, I need to cut back, it sticks out too far. So I need to get a piece of 4-inch tubing for that. So far I've only found it in 10-foot sticks, so I'll have to look around a little more because I don't really want to buy 10 feet of it for 160 bucks when I need 2.5 feet, but I might have to, we'll see. Still haven't figured out the seat. I'm gonna bring a little boat seat I got. I actually have it for my forklift and never put it on, but it'll sit lower. I'm gonna just set it in there and try it, see if that's better for head clearance, because right now I don't think I could fit my helmet in there on my head. And if I hit a good bump, I might put a dent in the, no, probably not the metal, probably my head. But see, it's all bolted up here, and the drive shaft is in. This side wasn't too bad. That side, royal pain to put together. It was bottomed out before. Now with the cradle redone and the pinion redone, it looks, it's close, but it's good. It's not too close. And I greased it. I had to replace grease zerk here, clean out the other ones. One fresh U-joint in there. Yeah, getting close. Hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will keep on going on this project, and hopefully it'll get a little more popular when get this off in the woods so we can actually go use it, which, as you can see, we're pretty darn close. It's looking like a stout little machine, and I'm really looking forward to getting it out. So, hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Let me know. Have a good one.